at the animals on the African plains. Lions, elephants, giraffes, what a beautiful scene. The lion in the plains, king of the land. Brave and strong, no danger he can't withstand. The big elephant, trunk so long, walking through the forest, breathing peace all along.
The tall giraffe reaching for the leaves, eating the greenery always high above the trees.
The fast ostrich never takes flight, but runs very quickly across the plain so bright.
The zebra with its beautiful stripes
Lives in the Savanna, running fast from any fights.
The clever chimpanzee using tools with care, living in the African forests, learning everywhere.